So here's example 1. Solve the equation by factoring or division. Make sure to set the problem equal to 0 first. So I'm going to add 2x squared to both sides because that'll set it equal to 0, right? Add 2x squared is equal to 0. Always when I'm factoring, I want to take out a greatest common factor first. So the first thing to do here for the first step, I'm going to take out a factor, greatest common factor of 2x squared. Because I see that 2x squared goes into each of these terms. 2x to the fourth divided by 2x squared is x squared. 2x to the fourth goes into this thing, or 2x squared goes into that. Oh, this was supposed to be 4x to the third, sorry. It's supposed to be 4x to the third. And well, it doesn't look like 2x squared. All right, so that would be 2x, and the last one would be positive 1. Luckily, this is something that's just x to the second power, so I don't need to use synthetic division or anything like that. I can factor this into 2 parentheses quick as anything. X minus 1 times x minus 1. I need 2 numbers that multiply up to positive 1 and add up to negative 2. It's a trinomial. So I'm setting it equal to 0. 2x squared equals 0. What makes that 0 is 0. X minus 1 equals 0 means that x is equal to 1. I think if you graph this thing, you'll find out that it goes through 0, 0, 0, and it goes through at 1, 0, and it has it's even positive, so it starts up and ends up, but I think it's going to bounce off of this this one spot. It's going to bounce off both of them. Maybe it never goes below the x-axis. Let's see. Maybe it does something like this. That'd be my guess, because I see that it's got 4 possible roots, and it's going through at 0 and it goes through at 1. So I don't think that it can go. I don't think it can go like that, because then it wouldn't have this double root and this double root. I'm thinking it bounces off of those two, but you could graph it and find out for yourself and see what it does. It probably does something